Greetings, folks. Y'all already know what y'all watching right now. This Lucky Vlog Season 4. I'm your host, Prince Lucky. Y'all already know it's about to go down right now. We pulling up to the beautiful island of LaRamona, Dominican Republic. It's 7 a.m. in the morning. We on the Carnival Conquest. This is about to go down. We still ain't docked yet. As you see, we pulling up. Lots of new stuff out there. I ain't been out here since 20 years ago, 1996. You know what I mean? I was just a youngin' when my mama brought me out here. I've been addicted to this cruise shit ever since, so as you can tell, we on our 4th season. It's about to go down out there. We about to go hop off this boat, check it out. It's safe, just like in Belize. Don't bring valuables, don't bring money with you. Stay in the tourist center. But you know what I say to that shit, right? We do what the fuck we want, because I live in Chirac, and this is just the Dominican Republic, so it's nothing. We're about to go take it over right now, man. Don't go nowhere. Subscribe, like, comment, do what you gotta do, man. LaRamona, Dominican Republic. Lucky Blog Season 4, Prince Lucky. Don't go nowhere. Check it out.
Hey y'all, this is me. This little Prince coming at you live on Lucky Blog. We pulling up to the Dominican Republic. I ain't never been here before, but we gonna see what it do, you know? When was the last time you cruised? I'm 7 months. I'm already out here having the ball. Where you at? Come on, subscribe, like, do what you gotta do. This is Lucky Blog, and I'm Little Prince. Be on.
Slow as hell.
Prince Lucky. Fame. Insanity. When I look in your eyes, I see something special, man. I see something different. But don't look at me like that. I like that. Different's good.
Does what hurt you, but that love is true. I can't promise I won't do it to you. Made it this far, yeah, I know something.
What's good, Prince Lucky, man? Y'all already know what's up. Lucky Blog Season motherfucker 4. We in the Dominican Republic. LaRamona. I said that wrong. LaRamona. There we go. Still bringing entertainment in here, man. We finna try to get one of these Hennessy white bottles, man. Do it up real big, man. Y'all already know what's up, man. Every time we step on the scene, Lucky Blog Season 4, don't go nowhere. Check this shit out. It's gonna be something special. Don't go nowhere. Stocking up on that white Hennessy. What you know about that? Not a goddamn thing. You niggas be drinking regular Hennessy. Don't say you drinking white, cause you lying. What's up, man?
Yeah, man. You know I got a new house on the hill, man. $500,000 house, man. Hell yeah. Bad bitches, man. Mercedes-Benz and Lexuses and all that. Pounds of weed, dope, man. Anything you need, come fuck with me. No, you not as fresh as I. You telling a lot of lies. Lying through your teeth and shit. Boy, get at another try. You ain't never left the block. You think that's a good thing. I think that you are confused. Nigga, that's a fake chain. You ain't got a bright lamp, but damn, it looks just like it. Get up on it real close. That look like an ice king. Capping on your videos. You know that car's ready.
Prince Lucky, Dominican Republic. Finally got me some white Hennessy. I'm all cool and relaxed now. We about to take a taxi downtown. Yeah, I don't know. Bear with us, man. We gonna get to it. Dominican Republic. Folk. LaRamona. Down here in Dominican Republic. Sipping white Hennessy. Just ready to go downtown. Put a real big. Take a ride, man. Y'all check out some shit that y'all ain't never seen before. Dominican Republic, lots of culture down here, man. Too much damn culture. I got the Cohibas. Check it out, check it out. Too much culture, too much culture. Come on. I missed it. But you was dancing?
You ain't seen me?
You was getting the crack, huh?
Look at one man in here.
That's okay,
Look,
man.
you like me, my twin brother. Come on, you guys send it for me.
I got calves catch, man. Ah, big boy shit. Ah, nigga. Oh, hold on. Ooh, you was getting the crack and we putting that in Lucky Blog. Much culture out here, man. I'm having a nice time, man. Lots of nice people out here, nothing but smiles. The English ain't that good, but it's all good shit. We all cool. I'm okay. I'm late, man. I gotta get out of here. What's up, man? I got to.
You don't accept my present.
Cool, man. Come on, y'all ready? With the man. Wait.
Allá, está la azul allá.
No. Es un trabajo.
La azul que está allá.
No. That's okay. We following my man. Come on. Let's get it. With my man Mateo. He about to get us right, man. Get us where we need to be at.
The mix is Dominican. The salsa is the Caribbean. But the merengue is only Dominican. Yeah. It's the typical music. Similar to the merengue and bachata, Dominican music.
So where we at right now? This downtown?
Now we are in downtown.
Downtown.
Yeah. Now we go to that place for you see houses, for you see how living the people here, you know.
Okay.
This city is LaRamona. It's the third bigger city of the Dominican Republic. Here living, yeah. The big one is Santo Domingo.
Oh, that's the capital?
The capital, 2.5 million.
Wow.
The second is Santiago, 1 million. Third, LaRamona, 350,000. The feeding, there's money come from the tourists. Second, the sugar cane. 3, the tobacco, the cigar factory.
Oh, cigar.
Because we have a big cigar factory. The more bigger of the Caribbean.
Oh, okay.
Have 5,000 workers. And work all day, 7-day week, 45.
40 hours a day.
24/7.
Oh, all day?
Yeah.
No weekends off?
No.
Would you kept jumping?
Gotta get paid.
Dominican Republic is next to where? Is it next closer to Puerto Rico or Cuba?
Puerto Rico.
Oh, it's on the other side of it?
Puerto Rico are to the
I have to go cash out
east.
points. Show you what some of them
it's
pesos
in
look like,
airplane.
boy.
Peso is only peso.
Pesos. What you know about pesos?
Peso.
Okay. Let's see what this do.
Camera.
Let's see how many pesos come out this machine.
For I see you. Don't change. Yeah, I got it.
Let's play how many.
Are taping now?
We're gonna play how many pesos come out the machine.
4,000.
Oh, it's down.
No.
It's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Your secret pin. Yeah.
Pesos.
With the camera. Ese vámonos, Carlos.
You can't film with the camera.
Que le explique porque
Explícale que la institución no
sí, porque claro,
Sí,
tiene que
pero
no
ya él se
permite.
va, él estaba retirando dinero.
Somebody
you
let me
were
know.
filming in the
Carlos.
filming in the bank?
Okay.
¿Para qué usó lo
Oh, you should know.
I didn't film in the bank. I filmed in
¿Es
the.
algún atractivo turístico? No sabemos.
De eso sí yo no sé. ¿Tú
He
entiendes?
didn't know. He's American.
I walked to the cash machine.
On everything right
Carlos,
here.
vamos.
Oh, okay, well.
Damn, they ready to blow me off, man. You can't film. Go to
Well,
the
next time
ATM.
you do it.
Lo que pasa es, Mateo, que yo no me puedo ir así porque
He
ellos...
came to the car with a shotgun because he's seen my camera.
Ya
Eso fue
ellos...
porque lo vio moreno, ya. No me
Welcome to the Dominican
No, yo sé,
Republic.
pero lo que pasa es que ya ella vio el nombre.
Presidente.
Sí, porque pasa que como él de que salió por el chabón, por 45,
Presidente.
seguro, imagínate.
You come from Chicago,
Nada,
Say what?
Illinois.
Yeah, Illinois, Chi-Town. They call it Chirac.
A cuestión.
Yeah.
Esto porque yo se lo dije a él, yo le dije que ya eso se había quedado.
Why salt a cop?
You said what?
They assault the cop.
Salt White Sox.
They shot
Or
White Sox.
White Sox.
White Sox.
Baseball.
Yeah, in the baseball. The Cubs with the White Sox.
Cubs.
The Sox?
We White Sox.
White Sox,
South side.
Okay.
The Cubs is north side.
Yeah, okay.
Wrigleyville, yeah.
Okay. Like the Wrigley Field is a beautiful part and all, but like me that.
I see y'all got a baseball field out here too. Y'all like baseball or soccer? Which one is it?
Here, the national sport is the baseball.
Baseball.
Yeah.
I seen the big field on the boat.
Baseball. Second, basket. Third,
It's soccer.
volleyball. Fourth, football, soccer.
Okay. So you don't do y'all don't do basketball?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So is that last on the list?
You know the Atlanta Hawks in the NBA?
Yeah.
You know the forward Al Horford come from here, Dominican Republic, and this city,
Yeah.
LaRamona.
LaRamona.
I'm gonna get that.
I like it, man. A lot of culture. A lot of culture. I can pause.
These houses,
Yeah.
you see, are similar or similar design. It's for the worker or the sugarcane company. If you work for 15 years, you take the house free over there.
Oh.
Yeah,
You say what?
free. If you work 15 years for the factory sugar,
Oh,
you
you
take
live in-
a house free.
For free?
Oh.
If for the worker or the sugarcane. And you see the man with the grease uniform,
Yeah.
he's a police private of the sugarcane company.
Okay.
Yeah, and you see all houses over there, new are similar to this one, but with the time, the new owner, the worker of the factory, made something new, a second floor, a balcony, a garage, you know, but new are similar all time.
Okay.
Vamos.
What about the house that you see further? The houses that's farthest out there? Are those resorts?
No, it's a private, it's a apartment.
Oh,
Over
okay.
there living the medium high class people.
Got it.
It's
okay.
different.
The middle class?
Tú te vas para
People
por
with
aquí,
the
por aquí
dollars.
al pasito, aquí. You see in the corner, this one house,
Right.
you see it's similar to the new, to the other one. And all houses you see to the right or left, new are similar to this one.
Right.
But with the time,
They just
make
time
other,
go past
simply
it,
you see
right.
the other one
Yeah.
with 2 floors. One new is similar to this one.
Okay.
Follow, Pablo.
Okay.
I know Locke is my friend all time.
Yes, sir.
Lucky,
What's up?
to what places see you the guy in the park you need to see?
Huh?
What places?
He showed me 4 little places like a church and he said a beach and some other places. Like, I don't know the names of them. Yeah, sugar cane. We seen the sugar cane already.
No, not sugar cane because the sugar cane are far away.
No, we seen the cigar factory, right?
It's possible, yeah. But it's a small cigar factory because the big factory you need to pay for
get in?
for see, yeah. You need to pay $5 each.
I mean, we can go see like I think it was
But
a,
a small factory you see in the town. But now somebody wanna see the professional baseball part of the town.
yeah, that's what he said too.
Your gas is $175?
That's 175.
Yeah,
I know.
this
How
one is
much-
peso.
What's right? What is that
In
US?
dollar, 400. No, $4.
Okay, I'm not
$4 gallon.
$4 a
Oh, that's
gallon.
expensive.
Okay, it is.
No, that's all
That
right.
ain't really that bad.
Compared to all the other places we done been to.
No, I only paid $2 and something. Where I
Well,
live.
when by my job.
No, I'm talking about all the other islands. It's compared to all the other islands like Belize. Belize was like $11.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it was.
11? Well,
Yes, in Belize. Yes.
¿tú estás oyendo eso?
It was day money, $11.
En
day money.
Belize,
Yes.
$11. 1 gallon,
Yes.
$1 gallon.
11. 11
No,
in
he's saying how
Spanish
much
is
was it per
11.
dollar? That's what he asked.
$11, 1 gallon.
Yes.
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 Yes. Where else was
Careful
high?
where you go out there.
Antigua.
Why?
Antigua was like $10, $15 a gallon.
Yeah.
And why is it expensive?
I don't know.
What
Ahí no vivo yo.
Shit.
I don't know.
No many cars in Belize. You don't see many cars in the street in Belize?
I see a lot of motorcycles, motorbikes out here. That might be better. She got the motorbike with the kid on
It's
there.
dangerous. You don't see nothing new. You don't see nothing because I see Mapa and 3 kids.
Yeah.
There's somebody with a child
somebody on the right side too.
with a little baby.
It's all good. They know what they doing. As long as they know what they doing, they're good.
No, but they got
So
a kid.
you guys don't have like seatbelt laws or
The name of the park or the theme is Toros. You see Toros del Este. You see it's a T with it's a similar to that bull.
Yeah.
Toros is bull.
Oh,
Bull
dollars.
of LaRamona. Aquí te podía devolver.
Toros. It means bull.
Yeah.
So what?
Bulls of the Romana. Toros de la Romana or bull of the East.
The baseball field. That's Tana. What you know about that, man? They was the champion 94, 95, 2010, 2011. Let's go see what this do.
I take the key for open. You don't have a pen for put your name?
Big ass kid.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my God, I can't believe this. This is what I wanted to see. Dominican. Oh, I wish I had myself.
Dominican Republic, baby. Prince Lucky Vlog Season 4. You ain't get this shit nowhere else, man. We get the whole fucking park, B. There's nobody else here but us. No, we need to do it. Check it out. No.
Oh, he said yes! We can't?
I wait the baby. I love the baby.
I just want to take a picture of the tree.
My little man sleep. It just started raining. This how we do it though, man. Like I said, you don't get this shit nowhere else, man. I thought this motherfucking season was kind of going slow, you know what I'm saying? It's speeding up. My friend, he calling me. He told me put the camera down. No. Lucky Vlog Season motherfucking 4. Damn, I done came the wrong way.
You sure did. Climb over.
Shit.
Come over here.
Fat boys down.
I want a photo with the family.
Oh yeah.
Here.
You got
Can
it.
you go along to the cruise ship?
Yes.
Because I keep the family with me.
This is family.
So yeah.
It's okay.
Great.
I cannot believe it.
Now you know you gotta get me and Mateo.
Yes.
You gotta get me and Mateo by
Only
ourselves.
the men.
Come
3
on.
men.
Only the men. Just the 3
Yeah.
men.
Only the men.
The girls
Stand
get
out.
out the way. I'm gonna say he put my baby to sleep. Look at that. Oh. Here.
We appreciate it, man.
Would I get in trouble if I stood on the, in the middle?
No.
The grass? Okay. Just the grass.
No more.
You took it? Girl, different pose? Come on now, girl. Photo shoot.
Now she wanna play baseball and shit. Lucky Vlog. Now how many of y'all actually can say y'all done some shit like that? You, any of you motherfuckers out there? No. Nigga. Lucky Vlog, Prince Lucky. That's the mascot outfit.
Uniform. Can I put the head on? I know. Why you somewhere to put it on? Take a picture.
Oh man, you a Toro now.
Girl,
Toro now. Oh man.
Get the front.
You say,
Say Toro.
Get the baby. Two babies. Put your 2 fingers up. You gotta represent, Mike. Put your 2 fingers up. Come on.
Toro.
There you go, girl.
Dominican Republic. We love it. We love it.
It's too much. Breathe.
Shit fun, man. Shit fun. Shoulda came. Prince Lucky, man. We over here at Toro, man. At the baseball field. We getting out of here. Just tipped my homie good, man, for showing us some love, man. You know, damn it feel good to be a gangster.
I said the minimum is 300.
The minimum, yeah.
So just divide that by 4.
Look at you. That's right. Oh, where was I at?
Let me see.
In my job, we don't have salary. We work for tips.
So is that just
we have a license.
Okay.
I pay every 6 months. I pay $200
To be a tour.
for the license, and take me blue
Okay.
search in the system. I don't have problem with the justice, you know, and renovation my license.
Okay.
No drug, no aid. You know, see that? A la izquierda.
Why does it look like he went up business?
I kept it though. I'm crazy.
Look, Aiden looked like he went up.
It's the basketball area.
Yeah. You see the kids in the garden over there?
Okay, look, honestly, I really don't want to know about my life.
Look, you got Zumba stuff. You said what?
Anything about running.
What's up? It's your boy Prince Lucky, man. You just got through watching Dominican Republic, LaRamona. We're about to get back on the boat right now. I'm still off the Presidente. In the Hennessy White. My eyes as low as a Chinese person. If I take these damn glasses off. Out of motherfucking 5 stars, I give this shit another 3 stars. I don't know, man. I haven't had a ball yet. I gave my homie the money for the green and shit. We stopped at about 6 spots and could not find no fucking weed. No weed. He had to give me my money back. I ain't never gave my money to a nigga and he gave me my money back because he couldn't find no weed. But it's all good though. Cause I still got some on the Conquest, nigga. I'm about to wrap this up, man. Lucky Blog Season 4. Dominican Republic, episode number 3. LaRamona. It was alright, man. Let me know if it's something on this blog that you didn't see when you was here that you did see. Comment, like, subscribe. Fuck with your boy Prince Lucky, man. Season 4. Should only get better, man. This is my family vacation, man. So I really can't tee up how I want to. But we still fucking teeing up, you understand what I'm telling you? Fuck with your boy Prince Lucky, man. We up out this motherfucker. LaRamona. Dominican Republic. Gang shit, still breathing. Before I get up out of here, man, free my nigga Shag. Still breathing entertainment, man. We wait for him to come on. R.I.P. my nigga Murder. R.I.P. CC, we pulling out liquor for you. Presidente shit, nigga. Even out here, nigga. Fuck it. Gang, nigga. SBE. Dominican Republic. Fuck with your boy. Still breathing. ENT.